Akiva's going to tell us all 65 of his Thomas trains.
Dodge, and Rusty, and Diesel, and Mavis, and Scruff, and Salty, and Cindy, and Paxton, and Aaron Burt, and 199, and Diesel 10, and Derek, and now, start down. What happened here? There. Look, now I'm starting to this one.
Okay.
Flint, Butch, and Rocky, and Kelly, and Kevin, and
You know. Who's that?
what? Huh? What, Daddy? How you say, Daddy?
Q, who is it?
Nelson.
Yeah, Nelson.
And Max and Monty, and Patrick, and George, and Sir Toppinhead and Winston, and Sir Toppinhead and Bluecock, and Birdie DeVos, and Boggy, and Harold, and Captain. And now, I want to start on this one.
Sure.
After down, Hero, Victor, no. Scarlowy, Aeneas, and Gordon, and Henry, and Luke. Book. Luke. Book.
Duke?
Duke. Stanley, Freddy, Toby, and Fergus, and James, and Packer, and Eagle, and Stafford, and Spencer, and Sir Handel, and Duncan. Oopsies.
It's okay.
And Duncan, and Thomas, and Annie, and Clarabelle, and Charlie, and Molly, and Connor, Caitlin, and Stephen, and Emily, and Belle, and Trucks, and Spencer, and Hank, and Edward, and Ferdinand, and Dash, and Percy, and I don't have Leffy with. And Rosie.
Wait, what's that last one?
Rosie.
Oh, Rosie. Yay! Good job. Smile.
Oopsie, I didn't say Kevin.
Where? Where's Kevin?
Kevin right in the middle.
Oh, okay. And what are the trains that you still want?
Whiffy, and Dash. No, Dash.
Dash and Whiffy Whiff?
Yeah.
You got it, dude.
Huh?
Good job. Bye.